Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Let's make nutritious food. We will prepare a healthy laddu today. Take a pan and add 1 cup of groundnuts, 1 cup of cashews and 1 cup of almonds. Slowly roast these nuts on low flame. It will take around 8 to 12 minutes to roast all these ingredients. These nuts contain brain healthy fats such as omega-3 fatty acids. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds, 2 spoons of flax seeds, and once again mix all the ingredients properly and make sure to roast on low flame. Now add 2 spoons of sesame seeds, give it a good mix and make sure to do the entire process on the low flame. After 10 to 12 minutes, the nuts and seeds are completely dry roasted. Keep them aside. Now in the same pan, add 2 cups of jaggery powder. Add little bit of water and melt jaggery. It will take 3 to 4 minutes. After that, grind the roasted nuts and seeds in a mixer jar. Transfer the grinded powder into a bowl. Now slowly add jaggery and mix it. You can adjust the jaggery according to the powder. Jaggery contains good amount of iron, calcium. Now take small portion of laddu mixture and give it a shape of laddu. This can be taken as a snack, the healthiest snack option, recommended for all age groups. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Let's make nutritious food for more healthy recipes.